Have you ever sat down with the full intention of focusing, opened your laptop or your book, and promised yourself that this time you'd actually get things done, but within just a few minutes, you're checking your phone, opening another tab, or thinking about something completely unrelated? By the end of the hour, almost nothing has been done, and you quietly ask yourself, why can't I just focus like everyone else? But psychologists say the problem isn't usually your discipline, it's the way your brain is designed to work. Your brain wasn't built for today's world. Thousands of years ago, paying attention to every sound, every movement, and every new thing around you increased your chances of survival. The brain learned that anything new might be important. That survival system still exists today, but instead of reacting to danger, it reacts to notifications, messages, videos, and endless scrolling. Your brain keeps chasing whatever feels new because it has been trained to believe that new means important. This is where many people misunderstand themselves. They think distraction means they have poor self-control, but psychologists explain that attention naturally moves toward whatever promises the fastest reward. Every time you switch from studying to social media, your brain receives a small burst of dopamine. It feels good for a moment, so your brain starts expecting that reward again and again. Slowly, distraction becomes a habit instead of an accident. Something interesting happens when your attention keeps switching between tasks. Most people believe they are multitasking, but the brain doesn't truly do multiple complex tasks at the same time. Instead, it rapidly switches from one task to another. Every switch costs mental energy. By the time you return to your original work, your brain has to rebuild its focus from the beginning. That's why even a 5-second distraction can steal several minutes of deep concentration. You get distracted, then you feel guilty. Because you feel guilty, your mind becomes even more restless. Focusing becomes harder than before. It starts feeling like your brain is working against you, when in reality, it's simply following the habits you've repeated every day. Psychologists often describe this as attentional conditioning. Your brain learns from repetition. If you check your phone every few minutes, your brain begins expecting constant stimulation. Silence starts feeling uncomfortable. Deep focus starts feeling boring. Not because something is wrong with you, but because your brain has adapted to the environment you've given it. The good news is that the brain can also learn the opposite. Every time you stay focused a little longer without reaching for your phone, you teach your brain that it doesn't need constant rewards to feel satisfied. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Your mind will look for excuses to stop. But slowly, your nervous system begins accepting stillness instead of resisting it. Maybe that's why some people seem able to concentrate for hours. It's not because they were born with a special brain. It's because they trained their attention the same way athletes train their muscles, one focused session at a time, one small decision after another. So if your mind keeps wandering, don't assume you failed. Your brain is simply repeating the patterns it has learned. And the beautiful thing about patterns is that they can always be changed. Because in the end, focus isn't something you're born with. It's something your brain learns every single time you choose what truly deserves your attention.